Hello and welcome. My name is Jürgen Rinelli and I'm a senior software consultant. Today I'm going to show you within my Endpoint Central series the application control module. We're gonna prevent Opera browser from getting executed. And I'll show you some more details about that module as well. Have fun! All right, now we are in the application control module from Endpoint Central. Today, I want to prohibit a software to get executed. And that software will be the Opera browser. I do have it installed here recently and it is opening. I don't want it. So let's start. Where to start? Let's go first into application groups. First, we will need an application group. So now let's build a Blocklist Windows, and I'll search. I'll give it a name first. Opera Blocklist. And I will search for Opera. And I will get everything Opera concerning into the Blocklist. Opera. Get that everything. I will put everything inside. Okay. Even that. Create. Fun. Now we have a block list. What else will we need? We will need a group where to deploy that. A group can be built within admin custom group. I'll build a custom group. I'll build a prohibit software group. I have already one from my German video. Cool thing. So let's modify that group and let's get that system in here as well. And modify group. Cool. Now get back to the application control. We have a block list group already, and now we will need to deploy that. So let's go to associate to a specific group, to that prohibit software group, and add the block list. And now we do have two choices, an audit mode. So within the audit mode, everything is allowed except what's on the block list. And there is a strict mode as well. A strict mode would be that we only can run whatever is on a allow list, on a strict list. And here we can get even a notification, and a user could request an application which is still unmanaged. So, but to go to a strict mode, this will take time. I always start with an audit mode to get an overview of all applications on the systems, and we will see that later. We will have a nice list where we can then choose from that software. Creating a strict mode, I always get asked, how long will it take? I recommend a 3 months period to audit first, and then send it, get that strict list only to a specific test group. Don't publish it to all your environment, to all your productive systems at once. It might get the wrong way. Fine. So what else do we have? Customize alert notifications. Yes, of course I want to have an alert notification. Cool thing. Now let's deploy that immediately. Yes, let's do that. Audit, block list. Let's go. Deployment status. In the meanwhile, when this is until this is deployed, let's have a look what else the application control has for us. There is a just-in-time access allowing me to create a and allowing for application allow listing or application elevation. So I could allow someone on a computer to have for a specific time frame, specific applications or all applications allowed to access them. Next would be the privileged management. Cool thing as well. Do you know those software needed a local administrator account just to get executed? Yeah, and those applications, we can give them privileged access right here. Allow users to elevate all applications. Yes, configure specific application to run with elevated privileges. Allow all allowed applications or specific. We just select some and get an auto elevation as well and add an application in here. Cool thing. And then the users don't need a local administrator anymore. Here is another thing, remove admin rights, local admin rights. And there is something prior you go here, and please don't click just on the whole summation and remove them. Go first to the exclusion policy and browse for specific admin accounts that should be at any means retained. All right. Now, and here we have the alert settings. Give there an email address to get notified and save. Okay, what about my deployment? It is already on 50% deployed. I bet that's my system here because the other computer, I know it is offline. So right now, let's go and have a look at the Opera browser. Can I still execute it? No, Opera Internet Browser is currently blocked. And I can see more details about it. Cool thing, it's working. That's easy, isn't it? Now, when we want to revoke something like that, that policy, what should we do? We just go to the deploy policy and go here and delete that deployment. That's all, and everything will be fine again. But first, let's have a look what we can see there. We see the computers within the prohibit software and group, and we have the application groups, deployed, allowed apps, and blocked apps. And there is unmanaged apps. That's the area where I go then and select which applications I want to have it on the allow list. Yeah, we can go there, we can click them, and we can have them move to an existing group. If we have an allow list group already, I could get it directly on that allow list, or I just choose the block list. Yeah, we have just one block list, and those software will be automatically on that lists. So within the application groups, we built that allow and block lists. We could do so right now, just have a allow list Jürgen, and add the Firefox. Yeah, let's add the Firefox to have something in there, create, nice thing. And now when we go again on the deployment policy on that group, unmanaged apps, we could go and again select move existing app group. And there is no group in there. Why? Yes, because we haven't had any deployment yet. So we need to go to modify and set that allow list in there as well. Cool. and then now deploy again. Now we should be able, after deployment has been successful, or maybe even now, we should be able to switch unmanaged. Let's have a look. Move to existing group, Allowlist. Now it is there. So now what I'm gonna do is stop that deployment. I'll get it deleted. Yes. Proceed, because I want to have everything free on my system again. That's it. Easy, isn't it? The application control module gives you a lot of possibilities to get your environment even stronger. Just remind, be careful with deploying everything at once into all your company, especially when you want to go with a strict mode list. And remember to be careful with the remove local administrators. So have fun testing. See you soon.